guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I was continuing with my series, and last time I ended up with doing this eyeshadow, and now we are on the highlight, contour and blush part. So yes, let's begin with that. And if you haven't watched my last two videos, the link is over here. Go and watch the videos, then come up to this part, and then let's continue with doing the highlight, contour and blush. Yes, firstly we'll be doing the contour part. Or I have this Makeup Revolution conceal and define concealer. I'm in the shade C17 because I always want my face to look contoured and really in a good shape. So I usually go for a cream contour, which is a bit difficult for beginners to apply, but I overlay my contour because this is sometimes never enough. So yes, for contour you can have two things with you, whether have a powder based contour or have this cream contour, anything whatever you are comfortable. I'll show both of them over here. So I'm in the shade this Makeup Revolution C17, and this works really great as contour. So yes, किसी भी कंसीलर का डार्कर शेड ले लीजिए आप, which is like this much darker I guess. बहुत थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट हम लगाएंगे because I have a bigger forehead, so I'll be started applying from here. We'll be applying in a dotted motion so that it doesn't cover my whole forehead. Make your face and the line cover that area. Now for nose contour, we'll be doing like the more the closer the line, the more the sharper your nose would look. Now blend. Yeah, we are done with the contour part. As you can see, a little bit of difference on my face because I have applied like a slight creamy formula, and then now we'll be going up with a powder contour. Press and take it to here. Now we are done with the contour. Let's move on to the blush. And for the blush I have the Sugar Contour, the Force Mini Blush. I'm in the shade 03 Mauve Marvel, and this is a really great blush at such an affordable price. Oh yes, I'll be applying my brush with this blush brush taking a good amount of blush, and again, don't drag, dab. I always apply my blush on my nose so that it looks natural, and I apply a bit over here as well. So now that we are done with the blush part, let's move on to the highlighter part. And highlighter part is quite easy, but I'll recommend There are also two types of highlighter: a cream based highlighter and a powdery based highlighter. If you want a natural glow on your skin, go for a cream based highlighter. If you want a glowing skin, go for a creamy based powdery based highlighter, which is Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator. I am in the shade 100 Golden. Trust me, this highlighter is bomb. Move on our cheekbones. Here on the cheekbones. Then on my nose area. For watching my video, and if you haven't watched the last two parts of the video, please go and watch. The link is in the description box. Just switch on to my channel. There's the part 1, how to apply base, how to ace your base, the part 2, how to apply eyeshadow, the part 3, which is this video, and the part 4, which will be the overall look of this video, and the end of the series, of the beginner series, and how to do and what to do and tips and tricks and everything. So yes, this is what I do for my makeup. And this is, if you have any kind of questions, do drop down in my comment section. Do share this video if you find it useful, and thank you for watching the entire video. Bye bye, see ya, let's meet in the next video.